Good day, everyone. I'm here to talk to you about something might you seems like a simple concept, but one that had a profound impact on our life: the market integration. So now you might be thinking, what is market integration? Isn't that just about economics? And while it certainly is a core economic principles, it's much more than that. So, market integration is about interconnectedness of people, culture, and economies. It's about how we individuals and societies interact and influence each other through the exchange of goods, services, and ideas. So, in my journey into understanding of market integration, began with a simple yet impactful lesson in economics. We were studying the impact of global trade developing nations. It was then that I realized the true power of interconnectedness. So I saw how globalizations could empower individuals, lift communities of poverty, or foster cultural exchange. This realization sparked a desire within to me, learn more to explore the world beyond my own bubble. So, and to understand nonsense to flow, different cultures and economies interact through these experiences. I learned the importance of empathy and the power of collaborations and the need of responsible global engagement. I realized that market integration is not just about economic growth but also about creating more just and equitable world. It's about recognizing that we are all interconnected and that our actions have consequences that people across the culture. And so I embrace to you the power of integration in our own lives. Seek now experiences and engage meaningful conversations and challenge yourself, bias, and let's go work together and create a world that everyone has been opportunity to thrive, a world where markets are not just like a tool and economics growth but platform for shared prosperity and understanding. And that's all about the market integration.